Hi, Ray here. It's great to see you. And by the time you see this, it will be my 69th birthday when I publish it tomorrow. Yesterday, I lined up with other masked drivers to get my driver's license renewed because it runs out tomorrow. And I was told that I will need to go back and give them a doctor's note. So there you go. There's the government looking after you. Well, they say, don't they, that April showers bring May flowers, and I'm reminded that my bonsai, particularly this one, needs some tender loving care. I'm a little bit late on repotting this one, which is badly root bound and wouldn't make it through this year without some breathing room. This particular bonsai, actually, which has been with me now for over 30 years, is an air layer. For those of you who are interested in horticulture, it's an air layer off the big daddy or the big mother over there. Anyway, I've got to repot this today. And yesterday, after I renewed my license, Amanda and I headed up the coast, and we visited a beach up there, and there we go. And so, yeah, that's pretty root bound, I would say. Yeah, really, really root bound. So it was a nice outing until the rain chased us away, poking around on the beach and in the tide pools and whatnot. Anyway, it resulted in this little video, and I hope you'll come along for the ride. Greetings from the beautiful Strait of Juan de Fuca. I wanted to come out today and just actually not bring a camera. Of course, other than the one that the camera woman is using right now, and why don't we introduce her? Hi. Hi. That's Amanda, our wonderful camera woman today. So, as I said, here we are on the Strait of Juan de Fuca, and has the rain paused again? We can't be sure. But yes, I wanted to come out today. Let me just pause for a moment here and wish happy birthday to one of my new subscribers, whose name I think is Tim. Anyway, Tim turned 60 today, and so happy birthday, Tim, and thanks for coming along. So yeah, I wanted to just do a bit of a follow-up to my somewhat distressed video of several weeks ago, where I was really considering quitting this game altogether. And as you can see, I'm still here, and I've posted a couple of videos since then. You know, it's still a little bit of a treadmill, this YouTube game, because even though I've gotten over the hump that I talked about there and my numbers are starting to go back up again, I still don't think that YouTube is giving me my due. So, you know, for instance, subscribers are up by a reasonable amount, and my last few videos have performed relatively well. But when I look at the hours that I'm getting, the numbers just don't seem to line up. So for instance, yesterday I got 25 hours, I think. But anyway, I can't remember all the numbers off the top of my head, but I figure YouTube owes me about 10 hours. Now, I know that the algorithm, you know, goes back and it tosses out what it considers to be, I don't know what they want to call them, irrelevant or non-hours, but still, yeah, I'm 10 to 20 hours behind where, according to my calculations, I should be. So, algorithm, get your together, okay? So I wanted to let you know what I have in store for you, because actually there's been a lot going on here in the creaky old brain, and it's been going full tilt ahead, and I have a number of ideas and topics that I want to go ahead with, and I'm going to be going ahead with. So look out for those. I know that there's been a fair response from my regular subscribers, for people who come back often. Thank you very much. Cheers. To my fireside chats. There's been good response to those, relatively speaking. And I'm going to give you more of those. And they tend to be more long form videos. So yeah, look for more of that. And I will also continue with some of my tutorials and gear reviews, even though according to some big names, tutorials are over. I'm going to continue in that realm because I like the response that I get from those in terms of helping people. And people thank me for showing them how I use, for instance, my rig was my last video, my video rig. And that's already got some nice comments, including the wonderful one this morning. So look for more of those, and look for more scarified chaps. There's a new spoonerism for you. So I must say, I kind of like this way of video making, just by the seat of the pants, unscripted, making it up as I go along. And so ideas come to me for B-roll and how it's going to be put together, which may change. But yeah, I really like this, this way of making videos, filmmaking if you wish. And so look for more of this in the future. They're all happily repotted. Well, I hope it's happy, because as I said, it's a little bit late to be repotting this little larch because it's already springing forth its beautiful little viridian needles. I also wanted to, wow, it looks like we've got another storm coming in here. As you can see, the weather's changed again. I wanted to mention something that didn't quite make it out of my cranium yesterday, and that is the scripts that I'm working on. They'll be looking into the human urge to create for creation's sake, and how the lens has affected that, how the lens has been a part of our urge to expand and to see and to be seen. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, stick around. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, please do so if the proceeding sounds like something you'd be interested in. In the meantime, take care of yourself. We'll see you again. Cheers. I see you! Oh, caught in the act. Well, they say, you know, the camera that you have with you is the best camera. So, man, it's starting to rain though. I think we're gonna have to clear out.